Okay, in this multiple choice under the tax remedies, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano yung bidding process. Ito yung scenario sa multiple choice question natin. The BIR levied a warehouse owned by a delinquent taxpayer. Ibig sabihin yung hindi nakabayad ng taxpayer. So the total tax due is 5 million. Now, during the public auction, only one bidder appeared and offered 2 million. So, yung highest bidding bid, tapos isa lang yung nag-appear, hindi enough na makapagbayad doon sa 5 million na tax due. Now, no other bids were received. The revenue officer conducting the sale declared the property sold to lone bidder at least a portion of the tax. Is this procedure correct? Now, that is the question. Tandaan natin na in a public auction, para sa pagkolekta ng tax, ang bid must be sufficient para makover lahat ng tax due. So, kailangan dito, umabot dapat sa 5 million. Now, at saka, including yung administrative cost, hindi lang yung, yung tax due yung bayaran. Now, if the bidder is insufficient, or if there are no bidders, the remedy in case of levy, pagdating dito sa levy, pag insufficient yung or wala talagang ang gagawin talaga dito is forfeiture. So, i-forfeit yung property in favor of the government. Now, the title then transferred to the Republic of the Philippines. So, yun yung only option when it comes to this. So, kung ang question is if this procedure is correct, the answer is no. So, only B and D ang nag-answer ng no. So, nahan natin yung letter B. If the bid is insufficient to cover the tax and cost, the property should be forfeited in favor of the government. So, ito yung exactly the correct answer. Dito naman no, pero tingnan natin yung kanyang rason. The revenue officer should have purchased the property in his own name. So, hindi yon tama. In his own name, hindi ganyan. Ito ay, yung pag-purchase ng property ay mangyayari lang pag personal property yung na-involved. Pero, hindi ito in his own name. Let's say, it's like in behalf of the government yung pag-purchase, yung personal property. Now, paano kung what if the property being sold was a fleet of delivery trucks, so personal properties na yan. Then, and the bids were insufficient. Okay? So, ito yung mangyari. Ang commissioner would purchase the property on behalf of the national government. So, yun sinabi ko kanina, pag personal yan. The distinction is the terminology and the process. Ang nangyari lang doon sa levy is the forfeiture for real property. Kumbaga automatic maano doon sa mapunta doon sa gobyerno without any cash consideration, parang tax lang. Pero yung pagdating sa personal property, mayroon talagang purchase by the commissioner for the personal property in behalf of the national government. Okay? Just want to repeat that. So, yon ang mangyari. Question number 17. Ito naman yung how judicial proceedings started to collect tax. The scenario is Mr. Velez received a decision from the CIR denying his protest. Yun. Then, ginawa niya, he filed a petition with the Court of Tax Appeal to cancel the tax assessment. The BIR team filed an answer to the petition, arguing that the assessment was valid and praying that the court to order Mr. Velez to pay the tax. 5 years passed without the BIR filing a separate civil case for the collection of some money. Mr. Velez claims that the right to collect has prescribed. Kasi nga 5 years, diba? Tandaan natin, mayroon lang tayong 5 years na pwedeng mag-collecta yung BIR ng tax after na magiging, after the assessment was made. So, tama ba si Mr. Velez? Now, ito yung sagot dyan. Ito yung tandaan natin. Base kasi sa Supreme Court decision ng Palanca versus the CIR, ito yung ruling na when a taxpayer files a petition with the CTA, the answer filed by the government praying for the payment of the of the tax, 'di ba? Sabi dito, 'di ba, nag-file sila ng answer na praying for the court to order Mr. Velis to pay the tax. Ito. So, base doon sa Palangka na case, Palangka versus CIR or Commissioner of Internal Revenue, sinabi doon na yung pag-file ng answer ng BIR legal team, that already constitutes a what? That constitutes a proceeding in court required to collect the tax. Ang ibig sabihin yun, nung nag-answer sila, yan ay equivalent na nag-file din sila ng court proceeding or ng case, ng civil case to collect the tax. So, in other words, kung ganyan yung kalalabasan na ganun pala yun yung equivalent niyan, then the collection was initiated on time. Okay, tandaan natin na ang 5-year na collection period after the assessment, ang nire-require lang dyan na kailangan mangyari within 5 years ay initiation sa pag-collect. So therefore, yung ginawa ng BIR bago nagtapos yung 5 years, nagkaroon ng initiation sa pag-collect. Therefore, pasok yung kanilang collection process, that is, we call that on time. Again, yung kanilang pagsagot doon sa petition ni Mr. Veles sa CTA ay equivalent na rin yun na nag-file ng collection of taxes sa korte yung BIR. So therefore, they are not late. So dito na naman tayo sa by the way, here is the only letter B at saka yung D yung nag-answer ng no. Tingnan natin sa letter B. The filing of the answer by the BIR in case of filed with taxpayer is considered the institution of the civil action for collection. So therefore, this is correct. Dito naman, because the period to collect is 10, no. This is only, kung matatandaan mo, para lang ito sa fraud or non-filing of tax. Okay, non-filing of tax return. Ayun. Yun yung para sa natin, sa fraud yun or non-filing. So therefore, our letter B is the correct answer. Now, dito naman sa what if, sabi dito, what if the BIR discovered that Mr. Velo's tax return was fraudulent? So therefore, 10 years. How would the judicial proceeding differ? So sabi dito, pag ganyan, pwede sila mag-file ng criminal case for tax evasion. The filing of criminal information in court effectively institutes the civil action. So pag nag-file na sila ng criminal case against the fraud made by our fraudulent act made by Mr. Velis, that is also filing for the civil tax case to recover the tax liability. Kumbaga, nag-collecta na din sila ng tax nung nag-file sila ng criminal case against Mr. Velis. So, ganun yung mangyayari. And again, 10 years po yun from the time of discovery.